Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Cube World. So in today's video I'm going to continue the tutorial of the Megaminx cube. So as I told you, in this part I will be showing you how to solve the edges above the white line, just like the way we solve the edges in the 3x3 or a 4x4. It is the same way. The formula would be written over here. So first I will have to find a edge like red and green. So I have it over here. I'll just get this over here. Now I have the colors matched. Now I'll use the formula that puts it from the right. Yeah, so now I'm done with one. So like this I will have to do all. So next one I have green and purple. Yeah, so it is over here. So I'll get this over here. Yeah, so now the colors are matched. So now again the same formula. So there. Now the third one, purple and yellow. Yeah, so there it is. Now I have the colors matched. Now again the same formula. Now dark blue and yellow. So where do I have? Yeah, so I have it over here. Now I have the colors matched. Now I will apply the formula that put it from the left. So from the left I had got it correct. So now next the last one, red and blue. So yeah, there it is. So now I have it. Now I'll just apply the same formula that I applied previously. Now I'm done with the edges. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.